So welcome to everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn involute of a circle. So the question is, draw an involute of a circle of 50 mm diameter and also draw tangent and normal on the curve. So this is the question. In this question, they have given the diameter of the circle. So and also asked, draw tangent and normal any point. Okay, so they didn't given any dimension for drawing this tangent and normal. So they given on the curve at any point we have to draw a tangent and normal. So let we start. So for drawing this involute of a circle, first of all we need to draw a circle with a diameter of 50 mm. So for that we have a circle command. With the help of this circle command, so we are going to draw a circle with a diameter of 50 mm. I am selecting the second option, center diameter. Why? Because of in the question the given diameter for that. So I am taking center diameter circle. Okay. So take the center diameter circle. So I'm drawing here. Click on here and drag it and enter the 50. Okay. This is 50 diameter circle. Let me check diameter and click on this object. Okay, this is 50 mm of diameter circle. And then next, so this circle we have to divide n number of equal parts. This circle we have to divide n number of equal parts. So for that I am drawing a line from the center of the circle to tangent. Sorry, from the center of the circle to any quadrant. Okay, these are the four quadrants we have in every circle. We have four quadrants. So we have to draw a line from the center of the circle to any quadrant. I'm clicking here, and then so this line I'm going to do polar array. Okay, so select this line and go to array command. So in array command we have to select the third option, that is polar array, and click on center of the circle. By default it is divided by 6 items. Let me change 8. Okay, so that is your choice. You can continue with the 6 items, or you can continue with the 8 items, or you can also give 12 items also. Okay, that is your choice. So I am dividing the circle into 8 parts. Okay, and close array. Then next, so this is the center point. I'm giving the notation. First single line text, take the single line text and click on here. The enter text height 5 and enter rotation of the text, that is 0. Enter, and this point is I'm denoting with O. Okay, center point of the circle is O. Next, from this circle we have to draw a one tangent line. From this circle we have to draw a one tangent line like this. So we have to draw a one tangent line. This tangent line is equal to circumference of a circle. So how we can find the circumference of a circle? We have a formula, that is pi into d. Okay, pi into d. So d is the diameter of the circle. So if you calculate from the calculator, utilities we have a calculator symbol. So we have pi and into d means diameter 50 equal to 157 is the circumference of the circle. So let us take a line with 157 mm. 157, enter. Okay, so let me move a little bit. Okay. Next, so again we have to do polar array once again. So this line also we have to draw in each and every segments. Each and every segments we have to draw this line also. So for that I am using once again the polar array command and click on center of the circle and enter the number of items. How many items already we have entered in previous 8. So same number of items we have to divide here also. Okay. So then close, right? And we have divided this line. So now next divide this line into how many parts does the circle have divided already. Same number of parts we have to divide this line also, this single line also. So if you observe here, so if you click any one line, entire all 8 lines are selected. So it is a single object. So it is a single object. So we have to convert this single object into multiple objects. So for that we have to explode each and every line. Okay. So we have a command explode x enter. So select any one line and explode it. X is a shortcut for explode command. Explode it. Now we can select individually each and every line we can select now. Okay. So this is the tangent line. The point is the start point is here. Okay, this is the P point P. This is the tangent. This is the start point of a involute the circle. So already the circle is divided 8 parts. Okay, 8 parts, and also we have drawn already 8 tangent lines. So give the notations first. So this is the point one, first one, and this is second, and this is third. This is fourth point. This fifth point. Just I'm copying the P and double click on P, we get edit option, then convert into numbers. 8, sorry, 7, and P and 8 both are same points. Here we have a 8 point. Okay, P and 8 both are at same point. That is the starting point. So next, the circle is divided by 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In similar manner, we have to divide the circumference line, this tangent line, also 8 parts. So select this line and take the divide command div, enter, and select the object to divide and enter the number of segments, that is 8, enter. So this tangent line also divided 8 parts. Okay, so we have to give the naming here also. This is the first part 1 dash, and this is the second point 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash 6 dash 6 dash. So we denoted 8 points on this tangent line. So next we have to make a points over these tangent lines. So for that we have to take the circle command, circle with radius, center with radius, and P is the center and point 1 is the radius. We have to draw one circle, P is the center point and 1 dash is the radius. Okay, so and this circle we have to move at the point 1. Okay, we have to move from the point P to 1, and this circle and the tangent 1, first tangent will intersect here. Here we have to make a point, that is point P1. Okay, this is point P1. Then use the same circle and move to point P and increase the radius point 1 to 2, increase the radius point 1 to 2. So we have to take the radius up to P to 2 dash. Okay, then move this circle at tangent to. Okay, this is the tangent to line. So in this circle and this line will intersect here, and here we have to mark a point, and this is the point 2. Okay, this is the point 2. So use the same circle, move to point P and increase the radius 2 to 3, and again we need to move this circle to point at 3. This is the third tangent line. So here also we need to mark a point and give the notation P3. So like that we have to mark the point up to 8 points. So if you take the radius from 4, P to 4, and you have to mark the point on 4. So how much radius you have taken, in the tangent only you have to mark the point. Okay, so be careful while marking the points. Increase the radius now 5 and take the fifth tangent line and take a point. Next, P as the center and 7 as the radius. So move to the point 7 here and make a point, seventh point, and 8th point exactly here. So here you need to make a point 8. Okay, you can check here. 8th point is always end of the line. Okay, so we don't want the circle now. Erase it. So and give the rotation to every point. I think this is the point 4, this is point 5, So please give the notations, don't forget it. So these notations also we have a mark. Okay, so we got 8 points. We got 8 points. So why? Because we have already divided this circle into 8 parts, and this tangent line also we have divided 8 parts. Then only we get 8 points. If you divide the circle into 6 parts, and you have to divide this tangent line also 6 parts. So how many numbers does the circle is divided? Same number of points we have to divide this tangent line also. Okay, that is your choice. You can divide any number of equal parts. So next, with the help of the spline command, we are going to join all these 8 points, okay, to complete the involute of the circle. So first of all, I am taking the spline command. SPL is the shortcut. Spline command, enter from the point, start point is the P is the start point. From the point P, I am starting curve. Click on P5 and P6, P7, and finally P8. Then end tangency, right click on it, and tangency, and press enter. Okay, this is the involute the circle. So we don't want these extra lines, so we have to trim it. Okay, so this is the tangent, this is the involute the circle. So in our question in our question they already asked about draw tangent and normal also. So for drawing this tangent and normal, so we have to select a point on this curve, anywhere on this curve. So we have to select the point. So I am selecting the point uh, here, somewhere here. Okay, so I am selected this point, and I am giving the notation. So for example, this is the point T, for example. Sorry, this is the point S. Okay, naming is your choice. You can give any letter. Okay, so from this point, uh, from this point, we have to draw a line. From this point, you have to draw a line to center of the circle. From this point, we have to draw a line to center of the circle. Okay, so first of all, we have to join the line from this point to center. And next, and next, and next. So from center of this line, center of this line, from center of this line, with radius S or center of the circle, with radius of S or center of the circle, we have to draw the one circle. Okay, I'm taking the point S as the radius, center to S as the radius. Okay, so I have drawn a circle. So this circle, and this circle. Okay, 50 diameter, 50 circle, and newly drawn this circle is both are intersect here. Both are intersect here. So here also we have to mark a point. Okay, so from this point to this point S, this point, so we need to draw a line. This line is a normal line. This is the line, a normal line. So, for example, this is N. Okay, this is the point N. This is a normal line. So we don't want this circle. We are erasing. So copy this line, Control C, and paste it somewhere. Control V, and click on it, and select this line. Go to rotation command, and select base point. Specify base point, and rotate 90 degrees. Rotate 90 degrees, and pick this midpoint and take to this line at point S. Okay, this is the line tangent. Okay, this is tangent line, this is normal line. So give the text here. This is normal and this is tangent. Okay, so rotate this text according to your requirement. Okay, like this. Okay, this is tangent line and this is normal line. Give the line weight if it is work. So if it is not work means don't give the line weight. So this is the procedure for drawing this tangent and normal. So first of all, we have to select any point anywhere on this curve, a point, and this point to center of the circle, we have to draw the line. So after drawing this line, we have to take the circle from center of this line to radius S or center of the center. Okay. So draw one circle. That circle and this circle will intersect point at N. Okay, this is the intersection point of both circles. From this point to this S, point S, we have to draw the line, that is the normal line. Okay, so copy this normal line and paste it somewhere and rotate 90 degrees, we get a tangent line. Okay, this is the tangent line. Okay, this is the procedure for drawing involute of a circle. Okay, thank you.